The advantage of the Mil-tek machines are that they are small, easy to operate. They save us a lot of transportation and removing our waste to the one section. The bales are compact in size and manoeuvrable. They're relatively maintenance free. And as I say, they're easy to operate. They have all the safety aspects, so there's no health and safety risk to the workers. And they do a nice, tight, reasonably good bale. That are, once again, the other advantage is we can stack them before we transfer them off site. And that's about it, I think.